Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentages. While the topic of percentages was covered in Year 6, the topic is so important that we will briefly mention it here once again. Percentages are closely connected to the number 100. The word percent can mean hundredths, out of 100, per 100. Let's look at some examples. What percentage has been shaded in each of the following squares? Each has 100 smaller squares. So we have large squares, but then you've got the smaller ones also. So for the first one, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 65 little squares have been shaded out of 100. Now, because the denominator is 100, the percentage is this answer here. So, following on from those three there, 65 hundredths, 65 out of 100, 65 per 100, which is 65%. The per 100 means percent. In this one, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15 out of 100. Because the denominator is 100, it's 15%. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 out of 100, 50%. Let's look at some more examples on the next slide. Marks in an exam. There are many occasions where teachers will give students their exam marks as a percentage. Students and parents find this type of reporting very easy to understand. Let's look at some examples. John scored 70 out of 100 in a science exam. Express this score as a percentage. So 70 out of 100, because the denominator is 100, the answer is 70%. Example 2. Susie scored 63 out of 100 in an art exam. Express this score as a percentage. 63 over 100 is 63%. Example 3. Ted scored 40 out of 50 in an English exam. Express this score as a percentage. Now 40 out of 50. Now the denominator is not 100, but we saw in earlier videos how to find equivalent fractions. Now if we want to find a denominator of 100, all we do is multiply this by 2. So we do the same to the 40. 2 times 40 is 80. 2 times 50 is 100. 80 out of 100 is 80%. So his score as a percentage is 80%. Example 4. Mary scored 12 out of 16 in a geography quiz. Express this score as a percentage. We have 12 out of 16. Now we can simplify 12 out of 16 for the equivalent fraction of 3 over 4. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. 16 divided by 4 gives us 4. So it's 3 over 4. Now to change this fraction with a denominator of 100, multiply top and bottom by 25. 3 times 25 is 75. 4 times 25 is 100. 75 over 100 is 75%. So this video has given us a few slides where we've looked at the idea of percentage. We've seen how the word percentage is very closely linked to the number 100. We've given examples to show the exact meaning of a percentage.